Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the AudioPipe 9V 5-band graphic equalizer with reader, or the EQ-515DXP. The EQ-515DXP is a 5-band graphic equalizer designed to elevate your audio experience with precision and style. Featuring nickel-plated locking adjustable knobs, this equalizer offers both durability and a sleek modern look. Its adjustable active gain preamp allows for fine-tuning input sensitivity, while the bass expander digitally recreates and boosts low frequencies, ensuring a balanced and rich sound. In addition to its advanced audio controls, this equalizer comes equipped with a 30-volt bipolar switching power supply, allowing for flexible connection options. The ability to adjust subwoofer frequencies between 60Hz and 90Hz, along with independent subwoofer output and level controls, gives you full control over your sound system, ensuring that every note hits with precision. Compact yet powerful, this equalizer operates on a 10 to 15 volt negative ground and boasts a maximum output voltage of 9 volts. With dimensions of 7.1 inches by 4.6 inches by 1 inch, it's an ideal addition to any car audio setup, offering a blended performance and convenience that transforms your listening experience. Now, let's talk a little bit about its price. This equalizer comes down to $69.95, and if you want to get it, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/audiopipe. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment something you would like to see unboxed. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.